The F-18 Hornet has served as a workhorse for carrier operations for several decades. It has played a crucial role in various conflicts and military operations worldwide. However, as technology advances and mission requirements evolve, the need for a more advanced and capable aircraft has emerged. The F-35C, part of the fifth-generation F-35 Lightning II family, represents the next generation of fighter aircraft for carrier operations. It offers a range of advanced features, including stealth capabilities, advanced avionics, sensor fusion, and improved situational awareness. These advancements provide pilots with enhanced survivability, increased mission effectiveness, and the ability to operate in highly contested environments. The transition from the F-18 Hornet to the F-35C, however, comes with its own set of challenges. One significant challenge is training. Pilots and ground crews need to acquire the necessary skills and knowledge to operate and maintain the new aircraft. The F-35C's advanced systems and capabilities require a comprehensive training program to ensure proficiency and readiness. Logistics and infrastructure are also crucial aspects of the transition. The F-35C has unique maintenance and support requirements that differ from those of the F-18 Hornet. Upgrading existing infrastructure and establishing new logistical systems to support the F-35C's operations on carriers is a complex and time-consuming process. The F-18 Hornet is a highly capable and versatile fighter aircraft that possesses several exceptional features. Its unique design and capabilities make it a valuable asset in modern warfare. One of the defining characteristics of the F-18 Hornet is its multi-role capability. It can perform a wide range of missions including air-to-air combat, close air support, interdiction, and reconnaissance. This flexibility allows the aircraft to adapt to different combat scenarios and effectively engage both airborne and ground targets. The F-18 Hornet is specifically designed for carrier-based operations, making it a vital component of naval aviation. Its ability to take off and land on aircraft carriers provides a significant advantage in projecting air power from naval platforms. Its compact size, robust landing gear, and strong structural design enable it to withstand the demanding requirements of carrier operations. In terms of performance, the F-18 Hornet is renowned for its exceptional agility and maneuverability. Its aerodynamic design, combined with advanced flight controls, allows for precise handling and swift maneuvers in aerial engagements. This agility grants pilots the upper hand in dogfights and enhances their chances of evading enemy threats. Another notable feature of the F-18 Hornet is its twin-engine configuration. Having two engines not only provides increased power and thrust, but also enhances safety and redundancy. The redundancy in engine systems reduces the risk of complete power loss and enables the aircraft to continue operating even if one engine malfunctions. This capability is crucial, especially during carrier takeoffs and landings, where the aircraft's performance and safety margins are critical. In conclusion, the transition from the legacy F-18 Hornet to the next generation F-35C in carrier operations represents a significant leap forward in capabilities and technology. The F-35C offers advanced features such as stealth, improved avionics, and enhanced situational awareness, providing pilots with increased survivability and mission effectiveness in highly contested environments. However, this transition is not without its challenges. Training pilots and ground crews, upgrading infrastructure, and establishing new logistical systems are critical tasks that need to be addressed to ensure a smooth integration of the F-35C into carrier air wings. Despite these challenges, the introduction of the F-35C marks a significant step forward in naval aviation. The F-35C's advanced capabilities, combined with its compatibility with future network-centric warfare, will enable it to play a pivotal role in carrier operations, providing unmatched versatility and combat effectiveness.